Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to recover Township accounts. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township game on my phone and this is how the game looks like. So basically guys, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find a little settings icon. If you click on it, right here you're going to find your account. You can sign in or sign out from your account. You're going to find additional settings, help and support, notifications about the game, save progress, and lastly enter promo code. So basically guys, you need to, in order to recover your Township account, you need to recover your Facebook account. So make sure that if you have your email address linked to your Facebook or also your phone number, you can contact the Facebook support or you can click on forgot my password once you want to log into your Facebook account. And then once you do that, you need to send an email verification to your email and then you will reset your Facebook password. Once you do that, just go back right here to Township and then click on sign in with Facebook like this, and it will take you to your Facebook. And as you can see guys, now I am signed in using my password, my Facebook. If you want to contact the support about this, just click on help and support right here, and then it will direct you to this page where you can contact the support. You can search for articles. For example, I'm going to search for account. And right here, you're going to find how to unlink, switch, if you forgot your password, and so on. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.